This is Rua da Palha, so we're gonna walk up this way in a minute. Give you a little context of where we are. This is kind of a street that goes all the way to Sao Paulo ruins, so people will navigate all the way. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes maybe to get all the way up to the top to Sao Paulo ruins, and then it starts. Well, we'll come back and show you where it starts. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this area starts, so this is kind of a Portuguese consulate is over that way, Portuguese bookstore is over that way. This right here is kind of a that way to those two things. And this one goes to Senado Square. So there's São Domingos Church as well. So there's a lot of stuff right here. And we're kind of in this little triangle area, so we're going to be going directly this way. And this is called Rua da Palha. Got a lot of staring. I think that's for the mainland Chinese people. They don't really see foreigners, so when they come to Macau, they stare a lot. You don't really get that from the locals so much. So this is kind of take a look. We're going to go up the street a little bit. Let's give you a little context of where we're at exactly. You got some really beautiful architecture in here, and then right in there, there's a little food truck thing in that way as well. But yeah, I got some beautiful architecture. But yeah, I got some food in the alley. That's a really good place right there. Fusion. Some old phone booths. So let's just walk up Rua da Palha. And we'll just see what we can see. There's a little plaza in here. Lots of shoe shops everywhere. Yeah, and you got this little plaza right in here too. Beautiful little place. Okay, so let's just kind of walk a little bit further. We got some alleys in here. And I think this is going to change to another street. I think it's called Rua de São Domingos. Sorry, Rua de Sao Paulo, I think. Just checking out these alleys a little bit. So I think we're not gonna go too far with this one. Yeah, Rua de Sao Paulo. So now it changes to Rua de Sao Paulo. And then Rua de Sao Paulo goes up to Sao Paulo ruins, which is straight up that way. I've definitely filmed up there many times, but I just want to do that little one of Rua de Palha today. See if you can see it. So I think you can maybe barely see it through there, but I just want to stick to this one little area that we're at. So we're gonna head back down again. And yeah, just so that you know, it's a Sunday. It's the doors are open with China, so you get a lot of tourists coming in, no foreigners coming in. So if you saw my other video, looking for foreigners, they're not allowed in, but lots of tourism, and most of the tourism in Macau is from China anyway, so not too surprising. But yeah, starting to get that back up to busy numbers again. So anyways, we will end it there.